Alright, it is time for another beach adventure from Färjestaden. This is Talludden's Badplats, located in the central area of Färjestaden, and it is actually also a swimming pool with the same name, Talludden. And it is located also between Grannudden and Färjestaden's Badplats. So 3 beaches very close to each other, and I have been in all of them. So yes, time for another beach adventure, and this is gonna be the last one for today, I promise, before I head back to rest for tomorrow's journey to Böda and my vacation over there. So it is 20 degrees Celsius right now, almost 7 p.m. and we have a wonderful sun here that's coming from Kalmar. It's actually, yeah, so here we are facing west. When I was in Kalmar, it was facing east, and we see also the ÖLAND bridge also as well. And here we have a sandy beach, but there is lots of seaweed that's coming in from the sea, of course. Yes, 21st of June, Midsummer Eve. So happy Midsummer once again. The longest day of the year was actually yesterday. So now we are going to shorter and shorter days. But it's gonna stay quite bright for some time until August, for 2 more months at least. So I'm gonna head over to the jetty, as you can see, as it is very shallow over here. And I have read actually that they have made swimming area length of 250 meters that stretches from right here at Talludden to the Färjestaden over there. But and when I look at it, it feels like you need to circle around it for 250 meters, because otherwise it seems like maybe it's 250. Yes, it is actually 250 all the way to the last how to say, the last ball, floating ball. All right, yeah, we're gonna have to do some more walking over here as it is shallow, but I'm no stranger to walking. I already walked 25,000 steps today. So yesterday it was over 40,000 actually. So I don't know where do I make those steps, but it seems like also when I walk in the water it counts, apparently. So yeah, Öland, second largest island in Sweden, and I'm exploring it right now, and I'm in Färjestaden right now for a beach adventure. So yes, What else? What else? Let me know in the comments if you have any questions for me about Sweden, about anything basically. I'm gonna hit also 13,000 subscribers very soon, mostly thanks to my shorts and my dances of Euro Pop-Up and to other songs as well. So, but I will definitely continue doing these videos because it's what I do every day. It's what I like to enjoy and show you the beautiful beaches. Here you can see the whole beach, Talludden, right there. And also in the distance, 200 meters away, is the Färjestaden Hamnplatz that I visited earlier today. It is time for a swim, so let's go together! Pretty shallow, but pretty nice as well. Amazing. Cool, cool, cool. Alright, then that's a wrap from Talludden's Badplaats in Färjestaden in ÖLAND. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!